Hey friends, it's Vishrat here, and I'm so excited about this brand new plugin by Martin Crumlish, Instabuilder. Now, see, this is a plugin, right? Not a theme, and this has the ability to create pages that rock. I mean, all marketing pages that you need: squeeze pages, sales pages, launch pages, video squeeze pages, mini squeeze pages. You name it, you get it. It's purely awesome. And what sets this thing, what sets this plugin apart from everything out there that can do something like this is that, hey, there is no other plugin that can do this. All right, there are themes, okay, but with themes there is a limitation. What happens is you need to change everything. The reason why I'm so excited is because the blog you're looking at right now, this is my flagship blog. Now, there is no way on earth that I would change my blog's theme, the complete theme, just because I want to add some pages. Of course, there are so many other awesome themes like Optimize Press that I have, Profits theme that I have, Sales Press Pro, which I promoted recently, and it's awesome. Alright, but these are great if you are building a blog from scratch, if you're building a site, if you have a new product launch, or if you create a new, something like that, right? But if you, what happens when you already have something like this? Or just imagine what happens when you have clients, right, who have blogs. I mean, first your clients pay you a lot of money to get a theme done, or maybe not from you, maybe from someone else. Maybe they spend hundreds of dollars to create themes, and then when they want some awesome looking marketing pages, and you suggest that, hey, go and grab Optimize Press or Sales Press Pro, do you think they'll be happy? Well, I don't think so, because they already have something set up, they already have something going out there, right? So here's where Instabuilder comes into picture, friends. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to actually show you how it looks like from the inside. Now, this is my blog's dashboard area, right? And I installed the plugin just like any other plugin. You go to plugins, add new, upload, bam, it's done. Instabuilder is here, okay? Then you need to set certain things first if you want to, like Instabuilder field URL, which is highly recommended if you want to promote it. If you don't, it's okay. Just disable it. That's it. All right. Facebook app ID. If you don't know what it is, which is, I don't know, maybe a little unlikely because everyone knows what Facebook app ID is. But if you don't know this, it's okay. There's so many people who don't know either. So you just click here and you'll be able to see what exactly it is and what to do. All right. Facebook app secret. All right, and all kind of stuff. Discuss settings. Even I don't know what Discuss is, you know what I'm saying? So I would just go ahead and click here and I will see what it is. And if I need it, I will just put it here and then update settings, alright? So anyway, I'm not going to do any of that now because I want to just jump in and show you what we got in here. So let's say I want to create a page. I click add new, and right here I get option to enable my Instabuilder. If you don't want to use Instabuilder for some reason when you're creating a new page, I don't really see any reason as to why you want to do that. But in case you don't want to do that, right? Maybe you already have a theme with some templates out here, right? So maybe whatever reason may be, So if that is the case, then you just go with normal thing. And this is a speciality, right? Like I said, remember, it's not a theme, it's a plugin. So you can just do what you used to do with your blog even after installing this plugin. But if you want to have some kick-ass pages, then you just click enable Instabuilder and bam, you just scroll down. You forget about this area altogether because all the plugins and everything that you got, they all show up right here. Okay, so this is your new editor now. All right. So, and as you can see, page type, you name it: squeeze page, mini squeeze page, single column pages, video page, product launch page. You know what I'm saying? So you select any one of these. Let's say mini squeeze page. Mini squeeze pages are those guru squeeze pages. So remember, you see it's been a great rage recently. People are raving about it. Huge background image with a small opt-in box over here. That's what mini squeeze page is. All right, people have called it guru squeeze pages, lead rocket pages, and stuff like that. All right, I have lead rocket as well in a lead rocket plugin. That's an awesome plugin. But hey, Instabuilder does that too. All right. So anyway, page design. You select from any of these: retro, vintage, blueprint, tile, simple, cloud, well done. Wow, you know what I'm saying? Let's go to retro. Page design color. I don't know, maybe brown or something. I don't know, brown though. Let's stick with orange. Okay. Headline goes. So that's it. I mean, it's huge, but it's easy, right? Don't get overwhelmed with so many options out there. Okay. And automatically you get the footer over here, right? So that's it. So you already have your main square page done. If you don't want anything right now, then you just need to. I mean, if you want to go normal, just put it opt-in for. But why would you want to do that when you have it right here? Okay, you want to insert the logo, do that. Click logo, display logo. You want a text-based logo? If yes, then put the text over here. If you want an image, click here, upload the image. That's simple. All right. If you don't want a logo, you don't. Just uncheck this one. So flexible. Opt-in. All right. Here is a kick-ass feature, friends. Check this out. If you want to have an autoresponder code with normal, like name and email address and everything, go for it. But if you don't want that, if you want to use Facebook Connect, then you don't use the normal form. You just check the Facebook Connect, and that's it. And I just fill the options over here. I mean, just fill in the blank stuff. Opt-in form title, opt-in form text, Facebook wall message, like, because if okay, in case you don't know what Facebook Connect is, let me tell you real quick, all right? I mean, you can just Google and you'll get to know what Facebook Connect is, but let me tell you what the feature, what it does, why it is so powerful, okay? And the traditional squeeze pages are great. I mean, you see the name, email address, you fill the name and email address, you get the freebie, you join a newsletter or something like that, And if you're the marketer, if you have a squeeze page, then that's what you do, you will create a lead capture page with name and email address, so people come to your site, they put the name and email address, and you get their contact information, right? And you get them on your mailing list. But if you don't want, but what happens is, many people use bogus email addresses nowadays, or maybe they create a new email address just to sign up for a freebie or something like that. But with Facebook Connect, usually a normal GI Joe, a normal guy has only one Facebook account, right? So and most of the time, if you have a Facebook account and if you are online, then chances are you will be online on your Facebook. Some tab will be open somewhere where you'll be logged into Facebook, right? So what happens is when you use the Facebook Connect button, your site visitor does not have to put the name and email address all over again. They just click that one button, and their information from Facebook is extracted automatically, and it is entered, and it is submitted to your autoresponder from the back end. So you get a verified email address from them. Because if they're using a Facebook account, then they have to have a verified Facebook email address, right? And that's exactly the email address you're going to get. And usually people check their Facebook email address mailbox all the time, because they get messages, notifications and stuff like that, right? So it's huge. It's huge. So that's what this opt-in form setting does. Video, simple thing. Video insertion mode. You want to have an embed frame, like if you have easy video player or something like that. Amazon, you're using Flow Player or something, you do that. If you use hosted video, that is, if you upload it in Vimeo or YouTube or something, or any place like that, you just select this one and you put the video URL. Okay, so it's crazy easy. And if you have any issues, all right, if you don't understand anything, you just click the stuff. I mean, it's just written, the instructions right here. And even if this doesn't make any sense, you go to the support, and Martin has one of the best support desks I've ever seen. They say it's 24 hours, but I know for a fact that they respond within 1 or 2 hours. I mean, it's crazy, all right? And don't take that as an official statement from my end, because I'm not representing Martin. What I'm saying is from my experience in past, all right? So anyway, so if you want to have a video splash image URL, you got that. Video options, you can select video size, whole 9 yards, friends. Comment, now this is also really cool. If you want to have Facebook comment box, you simply click this one, bam. And see, this is the reason why you need to enter the Facebook app ID, app secret, and other things like that. Right here in your Instabuilder settings. Remember, we just checked that out, right? So that's it. And comment title, you just put whatever you want to put. Then you go to sharing, everything: Facebook, Twitter, Google +1, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Stumble Upon, everything. Exit redirect. You know what exit redirect is, right? I mean, when someone is exiting your page, if you want them to, if you want to send them to some other page, you can do that right from here. No other script is required. No other plugin is required. Everything is inbuilt. Viral download. This is one of the most powerful features actually. With viral download, what happens is you basically have the ability to lock a portion of your page, and if someone wants to use that content, or if you can put a download link, you can have some content, you can have a video, whatever, you know, then they have to actually share that, and only then they will be able to access that page. It's ultra powerful, friends. It's crazy easy. And two options, you know, Facebook and Twitter, so that also makes it very powerful. And you can put the URL right here. Whichever URL you want them to share, you can put it right here. Customize the whole thing. What is the share title, short description, image URL, you know, tweet message, what do you want them to tweet if they have a Twitter account, what is the download URL, you know, everything, friend. I mean, it's crazy, it's awesome. Okay, scripts, you know what, edit, I mean, these are advanced stuff. If you don't want to play with this, you don't. If you know what it is, then I don't have to explain what it is, you know what I'm saying. It's you know, header code script, your additional body code script, additional footer code script. If for some reason you want to add something more, let's say you already have a site, you know, let's say you already have a site which is totally custom, you know, created you know, and you want to brand yourself, and you want to really go, you know, really go advanced, and you do all kind of stuff like that, and you still want to use the Instabuilder page. Then you create a page, and then you add some extra scripts. If you don't know what it is, then and if you really, you know, then probably you don't need it. I'm saying, so if you have a coder, if you have an employee, if you have a you know, technician working for you, they will be knowing every single thing about this. So don't worry about that. Mobile switcher, crazy thing. Your site, your pages will be mobile optimized too. So they're not going to break. Now this is also a huge feature, friends. I mean, you know, so many people, billions of people out there now have mobile phones, you know, and so many people use mobile phone to access internet, to check out for services, and do so many stuff. So you need to have a mobile optimized page, or mobile optimized blog actually. But since it's a plugin, you know, and you can, and it's a plugin, so it obviously does not really have control over your entire blog, right? So every page you create using Instabuilder, you can make it mobile optimized by doing this. So this is what it is. And here is one more thing that I'm going to show you. This is about the page, right? Now let's say if you don't want to create a new page, if you already have a, you know, and you want to create a new post like I do, okay, chances are you will find this particular video in one of my blog posts. All right, so in that case, what I would do is I would go here to post, I would create a new post, right? And now you might be thinking that since Instabuilder creates awesome pages, it will have no effect over here, right? But it's wrong. You can see an Instabuilder icon right here. Did it appear? Come on, here. Okay, so you know, when you're doing a new post, you can actually add so many other things. MP4 video, YouTube. These are all shortcodes. Okay, Vimeo, YouTube. So let's say you want to add a YouTube video. You don't need any other plugin to do that. You click YouTube, you know, and you put your YouTube URL. It gets embedded. That's it. Autoplay. What do you want to do? Autoplay it, auto hide. You know, you have all the controls right here. Vimeo, you got it. You know, multi-columns. If you want to have multi-columns, like 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns, 5 columns, you have everything. Split columns like this, you know, 1/4, 3/4, 3/4, 1/4, you got them. Buttons, gray button, red button, orange button, yellow button, you know, you got every single thing here. So it's really huge. Starting price is crazy low, it's $37, and for first 48 hours you're gonna get developer's license too. So jump on it, grab this. This is huge, friends. I mean, I give it like what, 110 out of 100, you know, if I can. This is really cool. So go ahead, grab this, you won't be disappointed, that's a promise. I'm signing off for now. Go ahead, grab this. Take care.